We had a bunch of fresh pow yesterday. Now we got the skies clearing, looking like it's going to be a pretty nice day. Made another stop at full speed here this morning. Picked up a finger throttle for the boost and a new ski rubber. They always got what you need. They go 175. Thought about buying one of those. It'd be fun.
It's not looking so clear up here anymore. Well, maybe. The sun's up there somewhere. I think today's day 7. We're heading out on the Polaris again today. I almost loaded up the Skidoo today to take it out, but I figured I'd get 7 days in on the Polaris like I said I was going to. And the snow sure changed from yesterday.
Frosty. I think the snow is kind of almost nicer today. It's still deep, but it's not like in your face. Did they get stuck in the trees? Yeah. Can't tell if my GoPro's blurry or not. Well, it was covered in ice. Hopefully it wasn't too blurry. Constant struggle. Sorry guys, freaking all iced up again, man. Not a steep drainage, it's a full pull though. You guys were getting aggressive with this line choice, eh?
Yeah, I should have turned out.
1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3, go.
It's hard to roll over when the snow's this deep.
Go. There. Good. Thank you.
I don't know if we'll make that. Is Jason gonna make a run up here? Oh, here it comes. Little track poacher. We're full on downhill stuck here, pin and wiggled to China. Well, if you can believe it, I friggin' left my side panel open again after lunch. See if we can shoot up and up in there, just below the cliff. Oh, running board slippery. Here comes Devin for another run. I don't think he'll get above me though. We'll see. I know. Oh. Stuck in the trench. Oh, good. Not as high as I wanted. I kind of hit a lump there and tossed me. I can't tell if I can make it out there. It's not really where I wanted to go. It's exactly what I wanted to do. Well, it's still pretty early in the day, really, but we're burned through most of our fuel, and we're gonna call it a little bit of an early day today. Can't believe I'm saying those words. Used to never say stuff like that. But yeah, we all kind of got the same consensus. Think it's gonna be nice tomorrow. Save some energy for then. Go back, do some stuff, tighten the track up on this sled since I haven't tightened it yet. It's got a few 100K on it now. Check it over. Check the skidoo over maybe. Maybe take the skidoo out tomorrow. Come on, keep going, baby. Holy crap, what did you do? My dad making a run for it? Look at it, it'll run you right over. Hop over. Nice. I thought I was going this way. You can see where he caught the tree. He's lucky he didn't put the ski on the other side of it. Ended up pulling him through the trees. Sled side pretty easy. Slide pretty easy on their side. Yeah! Nice! That's pretty fun. Did you see that tree I accidentally hit? I couldn't make up my mind on what side and then it was too late. Dad tried to follow. Alright, so we got fun in the trees now. I'm satisfied. Turn around on flat ground on a dime. Just waiting on Jerry. There he is. We're back down pretty early. I don't know if I've ever been finished this early. But one super nice thing about coming down this early is they did a fresh groom halfway through the day today, so we didn't have a single mogul on the way down. Also, I forgot to update you guys. If you remember that burning sled on the trail from the other day, I actually met the guy the next morning when I went to buy a pair of boots in the store. His kid was riding the sled. I don't remember if he said the parking brake was on or he was just riding the brakes, but by the time he noticed, it was pretty much on fire, and then they like flipped up on the side trying to pack snow in, but they couldn't get it to go out. Once they let it up, there's not much you can do.
Thanks for watching today's video, and I just want to thank Jason McMurray for filming some shots of me over the last 5 days or so. You know, I don't usually like to ask people to film me, but he's really good. He just whips out his phone and takes some shots of me. So if you guys want to thank him, go over, follow him on Instagram, and we'll see you tomorrow.